มาเธอบอกอย่าเสียเวลาเสียน้ำตาช่วยออกไปจากชีวิตของเธอไปให้ได้เจอคนที่ดีกว่ารักกันมากเท่าไรก็ยิ่งเสียใจเธอบอกจะไม่เป็นแบบนั้นทำแบบนี้จากกันไปได้ดีจบกันไปสักทีเธอจะได้ไม่เสียเวลาคำลาที่เธอพูดมาฉันดูง่ายได้เหลือเกินง่ายซะจนดูมันเธอไม่เคยที่จะรักกันเลยที่ผ่านมาเธอเตรียมบอกลาอยู่ก่อนแล้วก่อนที่ฉันจะรักเธอหมดแล้วทั้งใจก่อนที่ใครคนนั้นจะพลากเธอจากฉันไปก่อนที่เรื่องราวปวดร้าวหัวใจจะมีแค่ฉันเท่านั้นที่ทรมานจะหากได้รู้ว่าเธอจะไปจะไม่รักไม่มาเสียใจให้เธอเห็นต่อให้รักนานเท่าไรคนที่คบก็ทิ้งกันไปอยู่ดีคือการเปลี่ยนแปลงอะไรแบบนี้ต่อให้ฉันรักเธอเท่าไรแต่สุดท้ายแล้วเธอก็ไปอยู่ดี
인사해어둘까봐 시작해요 서른 없이 집은 사양할게요 Back off 이대로 좋아요 Balance It's me 나예요 다를 거 없이 요즘엔 뭔가요 내 갓색 탐색하는 불빛 Scanner 오늘은 몇 점인가요 Jealous 쟤는 대체 왜 저런 옷을 좋아한담 기분을 알 수 없는 그 표정은 뭐람 내가 달라진 건 아마 스트레스 때문인가 걱정여자도 참 Yellow C-A-R-D 이 선 넘으면 침범이야 babe 매너는 여기까지 is my Please skip the la Hello stupid ID 그 선 넘으면 정색이야 babe Stop it 거리 유지해 cause we don't know Come on we don't know anything I don't care 당신의 비밀이 뭔지 저마다의 사정 역시 정중히 사양할게요 Not my business 이대로 좋아요 Talk less Still me 너의 오늘 날거 없이 I'm sure you're gonna say my gosh 바빠지는 눈빛 Checking 매일 틀린 그림 찾기 Hashtagging 꼿꼿하게 걷다가 삐끗 넘어질라 다들 수군대는 걸 자기는 하나 몰라
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. I know you feel where I'm coming from. Regardless of the things in my past that I've done. Most of it really was for the hell of the fun. On a carousel, so around I spun. With no direction, just trying to get some. Trying to chase skirts, living in the summer sun. And so I lost more than I had ever won. And honestly, I ended up with none. There's so much nonsense that's on my conscience. I'm thinking maybe I should get it out. And I don't want to sound redundant, but I was wondering if there was something that you wanna know. But never mind that, we should let it go. Cause we don't wanna be a TV episode. And all the bad thoughts, just let it go.
Beautiful girls all over the world I could be chasing but my time would be wasted They got nothing on you
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
They might say hi and I might say hey But you shouldn't worry about what they say Cause they got nothing on you
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Hands down, there will never be another one. I've been around and I never seen another one. Because your style ain't really got nothing on. And you out when you ain't got nothing on. Baby, you the whole package. Plus you pay your taxes. And you keep it real while the mothers stay plastic. You're my Wonder Woman, call me Mr. Fantastic. Now think about it.
I've been to London, I've been to Paris, even where there in Tokyo. Back home down in Georgia, to New Orleans, but you always did the show. And just like that, girl, you got me froze. Like a Nintendo 64. If you never knew, well, now you know. No. Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you. Everywhere I go, I'm always hearing your name. And no matter where I'm at, girl, you make me wanna sing. Whether a bus or a plane, or a car or a train, no other girls on my brain, and you the one to blame.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
Nothing on you.
Nothing on you, babe. Nothing on you.
They might say hi, and I might say hey, but you shouldn't worry about what they say, 'cause they got nothing on you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Class heroes, baby. If I was just another dusty record on the shelf, would you blow me off and play me like everybody else? If I asked you to scratch my back, could you manage that? Like if we had chicken Travie, I can handle that. Furthermore, I apologize for any skipping tracks. It's just the last girl that played me left a couple cracks. I used to, now I'm over that. 'Cause holding grudges over love is ancient artifacts. If I could only find a note to make you understand, I sing it softly in your ear and grab you by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune, and know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo.
Let's go. If I was an old school 50-pound boombox, would you hold me on your shoulder wherever you walk? Would you turn my volume up in front of the cops and crank it higher every time they told you to stop? And all I ask is that you don't get mad at me when you have to purchase Mad D batteries. Appreciate every mixtape your friends make. You never know, we come and go like on the interstate. I think I finally found a note to make you understand. If you can hit it, sing along and take me by the hands. Keep me stuck inside your head like your favorite tune. You know my heart's a stereo, the only place for you.
My heart's a stereo, it beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Make me your radio and turn me up when you feel low. This melody was meant for you, so sing along to my stereo. So sing along to my stereo. I only pray you'll never leave me behind.
Never leave me.
Because good music can be so hard to find.
So hard to find.
I